What's up, everybody? This is the first of three quick videos that are meant to review some of the key concepts that we learned at our last Zoom class on Tuesday. Let's not forget our learning goal. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to say this: I can describe the geography of a place using physical and human characteristics. All right, so we're looking at geography and the human and physical characteristics that make up a place's geography. So I can describe the geography of a place using physical and human characteristics. So what is geography? Geography is the study of places and the relationships between people and their environments. So geography is looking at the place itself and the relationship, the interaction between people and their physical environment. Historians use geography because it is one of the basic influences on what people did and still do, the conditions in which they lived influences everything. Geography influences everything. We look at ancient India and the Indus River Valley. And we talked and we discussed last spring about the crucial Indus River and what it supplied the people. And the monsoon that dropped enough rain that they could farm, and the mountains, the Himalayas, for protection, right? Geography shapes the way people live. And so historians use it. And that's why when we study ancient Greece and ancient Rome and feudal Europe, we look at first geography because geography influences development. So what are some things that we use as historians, which you are, to describe physical geography? So the first one is landforms. What landforms does a place have? And landforms are the features on the surface of Earth, such as mountains, plateaus, valleys, plains, deserts, islands. These are the features on the surface of Earth: volcanoes, glaciers, caves, and so on. A place's physical geography is also influenced by bodies of water. What water is there at the place? Oceans, lakes, rivers, seas, etc. Water covers nearly 75% of all of the surface of Earth. And we talked about on Tuesday the importance of water to people and the use of it, right? We talked about for irrigation of fields, drinking, bathing, transportation. Also, you can describe a place's physical geography by its weather. And weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. So weather is the current condition. It is 75 degrees, partly cloudy. So weather is what is happening right now. Climate is the typical weather conditions at a particular place over a period of time. So climate is what usually happens, right? So they take a number of years and they say, what is the average? What is the average temperature? What is the average rainfall? what is the average snowfall? What is the average cloud cover? And that makes a place's climate. Okay, so if you want to talk about Ohio, the climate of Ohio, summers are usually humid and rainy, hot, right? Winters are usually cold and snowy, and spring and fall is a mix, right? Usually cooler with rainfall. Right? So weather and climate. Make sure you know the difference between the two. Vegetation is plant life. So what type of plant life is able to grow in a place? Vegetation of an area depends on a number of different factors. A place's temperature, a place's soil type, and a place's rainfall all contribute to what type of vegetation can grow in an area. We in Ohio have different vegetation than in Arizona. Different weather and climate, different soil. So we have to look at that. What is a place's vegetation? What do they have there that they can use to build their community? And so that is the end of just talking about geography in a basic sense and the physical geography, some of the things that we can use. So the next video is going to talk about culture. So you can now go to the next video and review that one as well.